Unlock your radiance, detoxifying face masks for a fresh look. Title: Unlock your radiance, detoxifying face masks for a fresh look. Introduction. Radiant skin is a timeless trend that never goes out of style. One effective way to achieve a fresh and rejuvenated look is by incorporating detoxifying face masks into your skincare routine. Detox masks work wonders by eliminating impurities, unclogging pores, and reviving your complexion. In this article, we will explore the benefits of detoxifying face masks, discuss key ingredients to look for, and provide recommendations for some of the best masks on the market. Section 1. Why choose detoxifying face masks? 300 words. Detoxifying face masks offer a multitude of benefits that are hard to ignore. Firstly, they facilitate the removal of toxins and impurities from the skin. Pollution, sweat, makeup residue, and other environmental factors can lead to clogged pores, dull complexion, and breakouts. Detox masks work to draw out these impurities, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Secondly, detoxifying masks help to balance oil production on the skin. Excessive oiliness can lead to acne, blackheads, and a lackluster appearance. By utilizing a mask designed to regulate sebum production, you can achieve a more even and radiant complexion. Lastly, detox masks can boost the efficacy of other skincare products. By removing the layer of impurities from your skin, the active ingredients in serums, moisturizers, and other products can penetrate more deeply, maximizing their effectiveness. Section 2. Key ingredients in detoxifying face masks, 500 words. When choosing a detoxifying face mask, it is essential to consider the key ingredients that contribute to their effectiveness. Look for masks that contain the following beneficial components. 1. Charcoal. Activated charcoal is a popular ingredient known for its detoxifying properties. It effectively absorbs toxins, oil, and pollutants, leaving your skin fresh and clean. 2. Kaolin clay. Kaolin clay is a gentle yet powerful ingredient that helps to detoxify and purify the skin. It is excellent for absorbing excess oil and unclogging pores, making it ideal for oily and acne-prone skin types. 3. Bentonite clay. Bentonite clay has absorption properties similar to charcoal and kaolin clay. It draws out impurities, tightens pores, and provides a deep cleanse. 4. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil possesses antimicrobial properties, making it an excellent addition to detox masks targeting acne-prone skin. It helps combat bacteria and soothes inflammation. 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a soothing and hydrating ingredient that helps to calm irritated skin. It also aids in healing and regeneration, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. 6. Green tea extract. Packed with antioxidants, green tea extract helps to protect the skin from free radicals and soothe inflammation. It also aids in reducing redness and promoting a youthful glow. It leaves the skin feeling smooth, refreshed, and visibly clearer. 2. Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. This 100% natural bentonite clay is a cult favorite for its deep cleansing and purifying properties. Simply mix with water or apple cider vinegar to create a powerful mask that helps to remove toxins and unclog pores. 3. The Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Clay Mask, infused with tea tree oil. This mask targets excess oil and blemishes while soothing the skin. It provides a deep cleanse without leaving the skin feeling stripped or dry. 4. Fresh Umbrian Clay Pore Purifying Face Mask, crafted with Umbrian clay. This mask helps to balance, purify, and clarify the skin. It minimizes the appearance of pores and gently exfoliates for a smoother complexion. 5. Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. This mask contains volcanic clusters from the Jeju Island in South Korea, renowned for their ability to absorb impurities. It deeply cleanses, unclogs pores, and leaves the skin feeling refreshed and mattified. Section 4. How to incorporate detoxifying face masks into your skincare routine, 273 words. Now that we've discussed the benefits and key ingredients of detoxifying face masks, let's explore how to incorporate them into your skincare routine for optimal results. 1. Cleanse your face. Before applying a detox mask, start with clean skin. Use a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or excess oil. This will ensure that the mask can work its magic on freshly cleansed skin. 2. Exfoliate. Optional. If you have time, consider exfoliating your skin before applying the mask. Exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells and allows the mask to penetrate more deeply into the pores. However, be cautious not to over-exfoliate, as it can cause irritation. 3. Apply the mask. Using clean hands or a brush, apply an even layer of the detoxifying mask to your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Follow the instructions provided with the specific mask you are using, as some may recommend leaving the mask on for a certain amount of time. 4. Relax and wait. While the mask works its magic, take some time to relax and unwind. Put on some soothing music, read a book, or simply close your eyes and enjoy the rejuvenating effects of the mask. 5. Rinse off. Once the recommended time has passed, gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. Be thorough but gentle to avoid irritating the skin. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. 6. Follow with skincare routine. After removing the mask, continue with your regular skincare routine. Apply a toner, serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen to ensure your skin is properly hydrated and protected. 7. Frequency. Depending on your skin type and the specific mask you are using, it is generally recommended to use a detoxifying face mask once or twice a week.